Hi everyone, my name is Rakesh Ingu. I am one of 659 experts. Today on the occasion of birthday anniversary of Shahid Chandrasekhar Azad and Lokmanya Tilak. So we nice team that is a network of influenza care expert. We presenting a training on how to stop the conspiracy of third wave. So in this section. This section is specially for the parents who want to protect their children from the third wave of COVID. So, from so many days, we are hearing about third wave is going to come this time. The children will be the target. So, these type of arts, I personally feel it was like scripted because, as they said, that first wave elder person were affected, and as I said, second wave is specially affected by younger generation. So now they are bringing third wave and they are targeting the children. So our our aim is to reach all the parents so that they can take care of their children and protect from third wave of COVID. So in this video I am about to discuss 3 points. One is conspiracy of third wave, and how to protect from third wave, especially children. So and the third one is protect from any type of disease in the future. So coming to the first point, to understand the conspiracy of third wave, I will suggest to go through the book Delta 72, which was launched 2 weeks before by Dr. Bishwarup Roy Chaudhary. So even free online book can be downloaded from the link. Just a second. Yeah, this was the link, bishwaroop.com/delta 72. You can download free book. Mm. Before 3 months, 1100 bedded biggest COVID center with nice protocol was opened on 14th April 2021 in Ahmednagar, which is running by local MLA Nilesh Lanke. So here in this hospital, they treat patients with no mask, no PP kit, or no fee or no death. They called fearless Corona warriors. I have some photographs. Uh, these are the pictures from Ahmednagar COVID camp. So whereas the faceless Corona warriors, the hospital which runs under, with guidance under ICMR and WHO, was completely opposite. They look similar like these are faceless Corona warriors with mask and PP kit, social distancing. So in the month of May 2021, in Ahmednagar camp, four officers was appointed by National Institute of Naturopathy from Pune and Ministry of Ayush and also Government of India for the observation of COVID center. Ahmednagar COVID center. So they took 72 patients randomly. These four officers they randomly selected 72%, 72 patients, and in that 35 patients were very critical. So these 72 patients were cured in the period of 3 to 7 days and got discharged. So in this 72 patients, lowest oxygen saturation SpO2 was 35, and HRCT scan score was 20. And these 35 patients were very critical. Surprisingly, all these severe patients were vaccinated, or either they came from neighborhood hospitals. So, case study of these 72 patient is clearly mentioned in Delta 72 book. Please refer once. And before 3 days, Ministry of Ayush approved a nice protocol for the treatment of mild to severe COVID patients. You can access this document on just a second. This one, vishwaroop.com hyphen Ayush. Please go to the link for entire document. So in this document, they have mentioned just a second. So in this document, they have mentioned some points like mild to severe patients are recovered in time of 7 days, and no medication involved in NICE protocol, no death or no any type of side effects found through NICE protocol. And also, I said no mask, no PP kit, or no social distancing required in NICE protocol. Till date, our NICE team, that is 650 experts, cured 60,000 registered patients. So, based on those 60,000 patients, we came to clarification that first, COVID-19 is not a infectious disease, as none of our expert got attacked by COVID till now. And COVID is some sort of flu, like every year it comes. For your information, I mean, small children will get around 6 times a year. Here we treat patients by giving lots of coconut water and citrus juice. And in this camp or hospital, no COVID patient required oxygen cylinder or ventilator. So, for your knowledge, oxygen cylinder creates environment of pneumonia. So here they are treated with prone positioning technique, which was well known from 1970. Just a second. This was a prone ventilation technique, which was well known from 1970. So in this prone positioning technique, heart will come front, and the pressure on lungs releases, and within 5 to 15 minutes, 20% of oxygen saturation will increase. So if third wave comes, it it may come in 3 steps. So for the information, I mean for your information, every year more than 1 lakh children will die with pneumonia or pneumonia like symptoms. So children who die with flu, they will declare as COVID death. This will be first step. And step two, forced vaccination for the children. Uh, so recently there is a New England document of medicine. In the document, they have mentioned that pregnant women who took COVID vaccination within first 20 weeks, in that 82% had a abortion. So what I mean is, don't let your children to get vaccinated. And these document also mentioned in Delta 72 book. And the other one is the new guidelines of the treatment of COVID-19 in children as released by our Health Ministry. It is like a cocktail of different types of medication like paracetamol, anticoagulant, and steroids and oxygen therapy, which will convert simple flu into severe disease. So about paracetamol drug, when any sort of flu or virus attacks the body, it may be respiratory illness or influenza illness, the body defense mechanism will be fever. So it increases body temperature to kill the virus. So at that time, if you take a paracetamol, the body temperature will go down and virus will start multiplying. So this will be repeat. This will be repeatedly slow downs your body temperature whenever paracetamol is taken. So slowly the body tissue will get damaged. So if this will repeat for a long time, then it will convert into either inflammation or pneumonia. So as you know, in the world, the one of the oldest drug was paracetamol, like 150 years old. So in the book, that is Delta 72, they have collected information on research done on animals and humans from the year around 1942. So those research conclude only two things. That is either the time of illness will be increased or prolonged, or they die. So paracetamol is the most frequent cause of liver failure. It was written in the 23rd edition of Davidson Principle and Practice of Medicine book, which is also called as a Bible in medical science. So I am going to give list of some COVID camps which runs with nice protocol with free of cost. It may help you or your friend in the future. One, that is I already said, Ahmednagar 1100 bedded operating from 3 months, and second one is Ghaziapur camp operating from 4 months, around 4 months, yeah. So recently Gurudwara community also started free treatment with nice protocol in the places. First one is Indore with 500 bedded, and Mumbai, Nagpur. If you are not accessible near these camps, there is another option. You can also have online consultation with a minimum charge of rupees 500. Go to the link, just a second. This is a link, vishwaroop.com/nice. So go to the link and fill the form. And recently, this month, that is 11th July, we opened a hospital and Institute of Integrated Medical Sciences, that is HIIMS, in Chandigarh. So it is the first hospital with ancient wisdom and modern medical sciences. Why I'm saying is it's a combination of allopathy, homeopathy, Ayurvedic, naturopathy. So here they treat any type of disease, and the cost of the treatment will be either, it's very less. So within 10 days, they already started to treat diabetes type 1, type 2, HIV patients, COVID patients. For more information about this hospital, you can go through the link. vishwaroop.com/CHT hospital. And for more information about upcoming updates, do comment on the video or subscribe the channel so that you can get updates in the future. Thanks everyone. See you till next update. Thank you.